Hello, welcome back to Intellect Kids Classroom. Today, we will see some of the trending robotic school project ideas that kids can actually build and showcase. Kids can build robots, have fun, and even do hands-on by themselves. This video is great for sparking robot ideas for school competitions. You can gather ideas, materials, and the effort needed to bring each robot concept to life. So let's get started. 1. Line-following robot. It's a robot that follows a black line on the floor using special sensors. This could be a great beginner's robotics project. Kids can learn how these sensors guide a robot like its eyes. The materials needed to build this robot include an Arduino or robot kit, IR sensors, a motor driver, motors, and wheels. The effort level required to build this robot is medium. Next we have is the obstacle-avoiding robot. As the name suggests, this robot moves around and automatically avoids hitting objects using an ultrasonic sensor, just like this robot vacuum cleaner or a self-driving car. The materials needed to build this robot include an Arduino kit, ultrasonic sensors, motor drivers, motors, wheels, and battery. The effort level required to build this robot is medium. Next, we have the light-following robot. A robot that chases a light source, like a torch beam, is called a light-following robot. It is fun to learn about LDR, meaning light sensors, used to build this robot. The materials required to build this robot include LDR sensors, Arduino kit, motor driver, and wheels. We can easily build this robot with less effort. Next in our list is the Doodle, or drawing robot. It is a fun robot that scribbles patterns on paper by vibrating or spinning around it in different patterns. An example of this kind of robot is a paper cup robot that draws circles and spirals with 3 colorful sketch pens or markers. Materials required to build this robot are DC motor, paper cup or cardboard, markers, and battery. This robot can be made very easily. The effort required is very less. So, robotics is limited only by your imagination. Once you know the basics of sensors, motors, code, you can build any robot. These are some of the coolest and most trending robotics projects that kids can easily build for school projects or just for fun.
Like, share, subscribe to our channel. Our channel's name is Intellect Kids Classroom. Bye.